Oh, who's that? Let's see, Sophia.
Who is it?
Where's the other one?
You want another one? Hi.
Oh, look, it's Santa and a... Who's that one?
It's a polar bear.
A polar bear.
Santa.
The polar bear lives where Santa lives. Would you like Santa to come to your house?
I'm gonna let you keep that.
You don't want Santa at your house?
No, I'm gonna keep so we both have to.
Oh, now we'll both have two.
Oh, is that... Which one's Spot? Which one's Spot? Piggy and Spot? I thought those were Grandma's.
But she got new ones.
Oh, she gave them to you?
She got new ones though.
They had to get a new house. They wanted to live with Sophia.
Yeah, but then I'm gonna have four. So I'm like gonna take those two and
Is that the box of all the things that you use when you call Grandma? Sophia, these are all the things that you use in there?
Hey, Sophia. Santa's talking to me. He wants to know what you want for Christmas.
but only
Oh, is that a pirate hat?
You don't want a pirate hat. You have a pirate hat. Right?
yeah. But I'm gonna ask some Christmas things with the real Santa that goes up in the sleigh with his wings.
So this guy talks to Santa Claus. So can you tell him one thing that you really, really like?
That I don't have?
Yeah, that you don't have.
Oh, but I would do a long one.
You what?
I'm gonna do a long
What is, oh, is that a long Rapunzel parade?
yeah.
Wow, you have so many things.
Already I do.
You sure you don't want Santa to come to your house?
Well, that's the puppets Santa.
Do you want Puppet Santa to come to your house?
The real Santa.
You want the real Santa to come to your house?
Yeah.
Okay, well, Grandma will keep this in her house then.
You don't want Santa, the little Santa puppet, so you guys will have the same?
Would
Well,
you like me to get you one?
I'm ready. Then I'm gonna have three.
And listen.
But I have a lot of puppets already.
Okay, well then I will keep these at my house, and they'll talk to.
I was saying that they're gonna be some new friends too.
Oh, you have more?
This big box is gonna get some. I have puppets.
Oh, you have more puppets? Oh, that's right. You have the
Yeah.
little sheep. And what's this guy here?
Angry Bird. This has a hole in it.
Oh, this one here.
Two before she conned me out of my two.
Mm-hmm.
Santa wants to see if you've been good or naughty.
I'm always good.
Okay, come over here and talk to Santa Puppet. Santa Puppet's talking to you.
Good?
They're mean so.
Now you have 4 puppets?
Huh? I already have one.
Let me see the other two.
This puppet, and I get.
Do they talk to Spot and Piggy at night?
Sophia, do they talk to Spot and Piggy at night?
No, they don't.
Have they been very good?
Huh?
Have they been very good also?